Mein Name ist Sider Joe. I'm from company Fronius. Welcome to Forming Now. It is very difficult to get welders which have a lot of experience. So we developed the Velo system. As you can see here in the background, there is a second wire feeder on the machine, which is giving you assistant. Yeah? So the welder no need to have that high skill level. If we have a little bit closer view, when you have already a TPSI machine, as you see here below, yeah, with the wire feeder on the top, then you need additionally the Velo wire feeder. This is what you can see here. And if you have a closer look on the torch, you can see on the torch there is a second wire coming here additionally. So the arc is from that wire, and this wire is only to guide you further. Yeah? So the welder gets a ready welding job, and with the wire feeder here, yeah, we can adjust the welding speed. So the welding speed and the distance, so-called stick out, is defined by the Velo system.